Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're starting the update now. First, make sure Windows 11 itself has recent updates installed. This prevents compatibility issues. Open Excel and sign in with the Microsoft account tied to your subscription so the updater can verify licensing. Once done, check you have a stable internet connection and at least 2 GB free disk space. These keep the download and installation smooth. Now move to the Office update controls within an app to trigger the actual update process. You'll now run the built-in Office updater inside Excel. Go to File, then Account, then Update Options and choose Update Now. This pulls the latest build for your update channel. If your device is managed, make sure to run the update via Windows Update for Business, SCCM, or Intune Portal as required. Make sure you note the update channel, current, monthly, or semi-annual, because that determines which features and fixes you receive. Once the installer finishes, restart Excel to complete the upgrade. Finish by restarting your PC so all Office components register correctly, then open Excel and confirm the version number under File Account. If the update fails, run Online Repair from Control Panel or Settings to fix corrupted files. This typically resolves missing updater errors. Make sure you save your work and back up custom templates, add-ins, and macros before any major update so nothing is lost. If problems persist, check Windows Update History and retry after correcting any.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.